Introducing the 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.